Hi guys, this is the Tech Pro actor here, and I am going to review the Samsung Galaxy A10 in blue. Okay, so let's see what's at the back. Okay, so it's got the Infinity V display. It's got 13 megapixels at the rear end and 5 megapixels at the front of the cameras. It has 4G LTE octa-core processor, 30 gig memory, 2 gig RAMs, and yeah. Okay, so let's go and open it. Sorry guys, and it comes off. So I'm just borrowing this from someone else who bought it a few months ago, but I'm reviewing it for you guys here. Okay, so let's put that console. Okay, so this is the actual phone. See, you see the front camera there, and yeah, that's the back camera, as you can see. Yeah, turn it on. There you go. So it's all working. It's got that bar there connected to the Wi-Fi and everything. Let's go into settings. Let's go into about phone, and there you go, the model number there, the serial number, that stuff. Look at the battery information. It's got 94% charge at the moment, and the battery capacity is 3,400 mAh, which is normally how it's meant to be. Looking at the software information, 1.1 UI version, Android version 9 Pie, as you can see there. That's, yeah, as you can see, Android blue and everything. Okay, let's go back. Oh, that's no, I should have turned that on. Okay, legal information, we do need to know that. Status, IP address and everything, we need to know that. Okay, so let's go in, let's see what else is, this is the charging port and the headphone jack, as you can see. And so let's see what else is inside here. Okay, so it comes with headphones, micro USB charging cable, socket, and as you can see, a pin, so you can open the where is it gone there, you can't see clearly, but you can open the SIM tray. And the interesting thing is it's got a dual SIM card tray, so you can put two SIM cards at once. Very good thing. Let's open this. I can't. There you go. So as you can see, as you all know, it's got the quick start guide for it, and it's got that regional lock guide. which you probably won't need to know. You need it. And it's got one other thing as well, if I can get it out. The warranty card, which I don't think you will need as well. So yeah, so that's probably about it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell. Also like, and if you have any questions, comment as well. And yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.